Hi everyone, in today's video we're going to see how to create this amazing trending round vase using balloons, egg cartons and upcycle materials. So join me in crafting treasures. First, I've taken a couple of long balloons and I've inflated two of them and tied them in a loop so that one fits well inside the other. Next, I've taken some Mod Podge and diluted it. You can use any white glue for this step, and I've used it to fix napkins over the balloons. I've used multiple layers of glue and napkin on each side and left it to dry well before going to the next step. Next, I've taken two large egg cartons and using this, I'm going to prepare a dough for doing paper mache. For this, I first tore the egg carton into pieces and rinse it out well to remove the dirt. To further soften it up, I added hot boiling water and let it sit for some time. And when it had cooled down enough to touch, I shredded it to small pieces and then drained it. To this I added glue and mixed it really well. To make it more malleable and not dry out quickly, I added some oil and lemon juice, and I also added some corn flour. I've again added more glue to help it reach the right consistency. Next, I spread this paper mache mixture over the balloon base we just created. I really love the texture this mixture creates instead of being perfectly smooth. And let it dry well for a whole day, patting down the creases in between. After this, I took a brown wrapping paper and cut it to strips. I stuck two popsicle sticks at the bottom end of the vase so that it can have a proper base. And then I used glue without diluting to cover the entire structure with the wrapping paper. As you can see, I've applied glue over the egg carton mache that we prepared as well as the wrapping paper. After covering the whole base structure, I left it to firm up and dry well for a couple of hours before popping the balloon. Next, I've repurposed an old plastic bottle. I've cut out its top part and used it as a neck for the vase. Again, I've covered it up using glue and wrapping paper. After this, I applied 2 layers of white acrylic paint on the vase. Next, I'll be using this beautiful paper napkin I got from IKEA. This is a 3-ply napkin and we require just the first top layer of this napkin, so remove the others. And using Mod Podge, I'll apply this layer of napkin on our vase to make it really beautiful. An important point to keep in mind while decoupaging using napkins is that the base should be a lighter color. That's why I've used white acrylic paint as the base. I've also applied multiple layers of Mod Podge over the napkin. This will really enhance the colors in the napkin and help it to pop out as it keeps drying. If you enjoyed watching the video so far, please do hit that like button. And if you are new here, hope this video was valuable to you and please do subscribe. I've cut out and attached a piece of cardboard at the bottom of the vase and long braided macrame cord around the base. I've also painted the inside of the neck of the vase with grey acrylic paint. And there you have an amazing round vase. Hope you enjoyed the video. Click on the link you'll see on the side. See you there. Bye.